Hello student, welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Department Humanity and Science, course obviously Basic Mathematics, course code 22103, again myself Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture, our chapter Unit 1, chapter number 4, Partial Fraction. Form of the rational function, I revise again because it is very important. Px plus q upon x minus a into x minus b, a not equal to b, capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b. Px plus q upon x minus a bracket square, a upon x minus a plus b upon x minus a bracket square. Px square plus qx plus r, x up minus a, x minus b, x minus c. Capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus b plus capital C upon x minus c. Px square plus qx plus r, x minus a whole bracket square, x minus b, capital A upon x minus a plus capital B upon x minus a bracket square plus capital C upon x minus b. Px square plus qx plus r upon x minus a, x square plus bx plus c, capital A upon x minus a plus bx plus c upon x square plus bx plus c. Observe that this quadratic equation does not have the real factor where x square plus bx plus c cannot be factorized further. The case that is the contain non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor, that means Q contains non-repeated irreducible quadratic factor of the form ax square plus bx plus c, then in the partial fraction decomposition of P oblique Q allow for the term ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c, where the numbers capital A and capital B are to be determined by substituting the different value of x depend on the previous factor. Let us take example 19. Resolve into partial fraction. 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x square plus 4. It is asked in summer 16. So the denominator consists of a linear factor and irreducible quadratic factor. Hence, 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x square plus 4, capital A upon x plus 2 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 4. Always remind that x square plus 4 have no real factor. That's why we have to add capital B into x plus c upon x square plus 4. That is irreducible quadratic factor. So x plus 2, it is non-repeated factor. That's why we have to allocate capital A upon x plus 2. Now we have to take the cross multiplication. Obviously. So 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x square plus 4 remain as the same. Cross multiplication capital A into x square plus 4 plus bx plus c into x plus 2 upon x plus 2 into x square plus 4. Now, common term get cancelled. What is remaining then? 3x minus 2 is equal to capital A into x square plus 4, bx plus c into x plus 2. Now, it is the equation number 2. It is which true for all x belongs to R. That means the x is not negative, positive does not matter, or a fraction number. When x equal to minus 2, from equation 2 we get, we have to put x equal to minus 2. So minus 3 into minus 2, capital A minus 2 square plus 4, and we know that b into minus 2 plus c, but minus 2 plus 2 gives 0 value. That's why 0 into anything is 0. Now our minus 2 square is obviously 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now, we have to put here minus 2 into 3, minus 6, minus, it is obviously minus 2 remain as the same because it is the constant. Minus 6, minus 2 is equal to capital A into 8. So, minus 6, minus 2 gives value minus 8. Is it right? So, a into 8. So 8 goes this side. 8 upon minus 8 upon 8 gives value capital A is equal to minus 1. Now we have to put the next step is important when x equal to 0 plus value of a is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So instead of x in previous equation number 2, we have to put x equal to minus 2. So it is obviously x equal to minus 2. No, it is x equal to 0. We have to put a is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So in here, what happened? 0 into anything 0. So minus 2 is remaining. 0 square is 0. 0 plus 4 is remaining. 0 into b, obviously 0. But be careful, 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 into c is applicable. So what's happened? Yes, that's right. Minus 2 in bracket minus 1 into 4 plus 2 into c. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 2 into c, 2c, and minus 2 is the left hand side simplification. Now, minus 4 goes this side, plus 4, minus 2 gives the value is 2. So, 2c is equal to 2. So, 2 goes this side, so c is equal to 2 upon 2 is 1. So, we derive the value of c is equal to 1. Now, our main target is that if x is equal to, in first step, we have to put x equal to minus 2. Okay. Next, we have to put x equal to 0. Now, we have to put x equal to 1. So, randomly, it is not considerable because x square plus 2 and x square plus 4 have the, if imaginary, plus 2 minus 2 are there. That's why we have to put x minus 2, then positive 1. So x equal to 1, capital A is equal to minus 1, c is equal to 1. From equation 2, we get 3 minus 2, minus 1 into 1 plus 4, plus b in plus 1 into 3. 1 plus 4 gives value how much? 5. 5 into minus 1, minus 5. 3 into b, 3b. 3 into 1, 3. Minus 5 goes this side, it is plus 5. Yes. Plus 5 plus 1, 6. 3b is there. But 3 goes this side. So what is the remaining term? Yes, 3. So 3 is equal to 3b. 3 get cancelled. We have derived the b is equal to 1. Now we have to put all the value of a, b and c in equation 1. So 3x minus 2 upon x plus 2, x square plus 4 is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 2 plus. Here, what is the value of b? We derive just 1. So, 1 into x plus, what is the value of c? 1. So, that's why x square plus 4. These are required partial fraction. Now, this example is also we have to consider resolve into partial fraction. X square minus x plus 3 is there. X square minus 2 and x square plus 1. Now tell me what is the factor of x square plus 1. If it is x square minus 1, then we have the factor x plus 1, x minus 1. But x square plus 1 have no factor. That's why it is irreducible quadratic equation. So, we have to consider x square minus x plus 3 upon x minus 2 into x square plus 1 equal to capital A upon x minus 2 plus bx plus c upon x square plus 1. Now, our duty is to cross multiply any non-repeated factor and x square minus x plus 3 remain upon x minus 2 x square plus 1 remain as the same. So, we have to cross multiply, we derive a into x square plus 1, bx plus c into x minus 2, denominator x minus 2 into x square plus 1. Now, these and this term get cancelled because the denominator have the same sign, same terms, then numerator will be equal. By these laws of indices, we prove that x square minus x plus 3 is equal to capital A, x square plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 2. Now, our duty is that we have to check which non-factor is given. X minus 2 is equal to 0 means x equal to 2 we have to put. So, x equal to 2 we have to put from the relation 2 we derive 2 square is 4 minus 2 plus 3 remain as the same. If I put here 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 into anything 0. So, we derive a in bracket 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 0. 4 minus 2 gives value 2, 2 plus 3, 5 and 4 plus 1, 5. 5 goes this side, A is equal to 1. Now our second step is important. In any case, quadratic irreducible factors are given, then compulsory we have to put x equal to 0 and derive value of A in that example. So x equal to 0. So from the relation 2, we have 0 minus 0 plus 3 is equal to 1, 0 plus 1 plus B into 0, 0 plus C and it is minus 2. Now 3 is equal to 1 minus 2C because minus 2 into C minus 2C. 1 goes this side, 3 minus 1 gives value 2. 2 is equal to minus 2C. Minus 2 goes divided by 2. So 2 get cancelled. 1 upon minus 1, C is equal to minus 1. Now we have to put what the factors are there. First factor we have to put 2. Then obviously we have to put the x equal to 1. If we put 2, we have to put 1. If we put 1, we have to put 2. So x equal to 1, we have to put capital A is equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1. All these value A and C derive just from the relation 2. After substituting x equal to 2 and x equal to 0, we derive A and C value. Now we have to put x equal to 1, A equal to 1, C is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. We derive 1 minus 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 in bracket 1 plus 1 plus B into 1, B minus 1 because we have to consider which value? C. Yes, right. And 1 minus 2 because here it is we have to consider it is x is equal to 1 and what is the value of it is we have to put it is considered as a minus 2. So we have to simplify now. What is the term? 1 minus 1 plus 3 gives the value 3. 1 1 get cancelled. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 into 1 is 2. B minus 1 into minus 1. So minus B minus minus plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 goes this side. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So B is equal to 0. Now putting this value for A, B, C, we have expression. We have to get x square minus x plus 3 upon x minus 2, x plus square plus 1. So we have to put capital A is equal to what? What is the value of capital A? 1. Yes, it is right, x minus 2. What is the value of capital B? 0. 0 into anything is 0. So what is the value of C? Minus 1. So minus 0 minus 1 upon x square plus 1. So if you should not write, then we have to simplify that. Minus 1 into plus 1, it is minus 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x square plus 1 is required partial fraction from this example. Always be consider that 0 is not available for the B. B be any real number also. We have to consult and solving that thing. Here once again, what is the denominator has non-factorial quadratic in it? Yes, we have to check. 7x square minus 4x upon x square plus 1x minus 2. X square plus 1 again not have the real factor. That's why we have to derive 7x square minus 4x upon x square into x minus 2. X plus b upon x square plus 1 plus c upon x minus 2. Be clear about that. If we put ax plus b for the first factor which is irreducible in a numerator, that is x square plus 1 is irreducible, then in numerator we have to compulsory put ax plus b. Then we have to put the c upon x minus 2. No jumbling about that thing. So cross multiplication again start and common term get cancelled. So I directly take the 7x square minus 4x plus 0. Why we have to take 0? Let us check. Ax plus b into x minus 2 plus c into x square plus 1. Here I take the 0 as a constant because we have to simplify. Capital Ax into x is equal to ax square minus 2 into b minus 2 into b minus 2b. Next, what is ax? Into minus 2x minus 2ax and b into x is bx. Now we have to multiply ax to x, ax square. Next, ax into minus 2 is minus 2x. B into x, bx and minus 2 into b, minus 2b. C into x square, cx square, c into 1, c. Now, I consider the x square coefficient. What are they? Yes, ax square is the first, cx square is the second to right hand side and the left hand side 7x square. So, ax square plus cx because here plus is there is equal to 7x square. X square take common, get cancelled. We have to consider minus 4